Hey everyone, before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Because today, we're uncovering some of the most exciting ways AI can actually make money for you while you sleep. Yep, you heard that right. While you're dreaming, your side hustle could be working harder than ever. Imagine waking up to notifications that your bank account grew overnight, or seeing sales roll in without you lifting a finger. That's not a fantasy. It's the power of Sleeptop AI side hustles. These are modern, smart strategies that harness artificial intelligence to do the heavy lifting, so you can focus on life, creativity, or just more sleep. Let's start with something simple but incredibly effective: AI-driven content creation. Think blogs, social media posts, or even full ebooks. With AI tools today, you can automate writing content that people actually want to read. Imagine setting up a niche blog about something you love: gaming, travel, tech, and letting AI generate articles while you focus on marketing or even just relaxing. Once your blog starts getting traffic, ad revenue, affiliate commissions, or even digital product sales can all flow in while you're catching Z's. Now I know what you're thinking. Isn't that just automation? Yes, but with AI, it's smarter than anything we've seen before. These tools analyze trends, suggest topics your audience craves, and even optimize for search engines automatically. You're basically building a 24/7 content machine that runs while you sleep. But content isn't the only arena. AI stock trading bots are another way people are generating passive income. Imagine a program that studies market patterns, predicts short-term movements, and executes trades instantly without human emotion interfering. While it isn't magic, it's technology that gives you an edge. Of course, like any investment, there's risk, but with proper strategy, some people are seeing consistent growth with minimal effort. Then there's the world of AI-powered design and digital products. From unique logos to custom illustrations, AI tools can produce high-quality designs in minutes. You can sell these on platforms like Etsy, Fiverr, or even your own store. The incredible part: once you create the templates, they can keep selling endlessly. One upload could keep generating income for months or even years. And here's one of my personal favorites: AI voiceovers and audiobooks. The audio market is booming, and with AI-generated voices, you don't need to be a voice actor to produce professional quality recordings. Take a simple story, transform it into an audiobook or explainer video, and watch as platforms like Audible, YouTube, or your own website bring in passive revenue. Now it's not just about having AI do all the work. You need to set up systems. But the beauty is that once you invest a little time up front, the system takes over. Your money, your designs, your content, all working around the clock. And this is where it gets exciting: the world of AI dropshipping. Traditional dropshipping has been around for years, but AI takes it to the next level. Imagine an online store that predicts trends, manages inventory, writes product descriptions, and even answers customer queries while you sleep. The store runs itself, your customers get what they want, and you're free to focus on scaling or exploring new niches. Every one of these ideas has one thing in common: they're designed for people who want financial freedom without trading all their time for money. The next question is obvious: which of these strategies actually fits your lifestyle? Which one can start paying you overnight? Well, that's where we'll go even deeper next, because the most mind-blowing AI side hustles aren't just about work. They're about unlocking opportunities that feel almost unfair in a good way. Now, let's talk about the truly next-level AI side hustles, the ones that can completely change the game and make money while you're completely offline. First up, AI-powered subscription services. Imagine creating a service that delivers value automatically every month. It could be curated digital resources, AI-generated art, templates, or even specialized newsletters. With the right niche, you're not just making one-time sales, you're building a recurring income stream that deposits money directly into your account without requiring daily effort. The magic: once your system is in place, your subscribers keep paying, and AI keeps producing content, handling personalization, or even interacting with users. Next, consider AI chatbots and virtual assistants as a service. Businesses are desperate for tools that can handle customer support, schedule meetings, and respond instantly to inquiries. By offering AI-powered solutions, you can create a business model where companies pay monthly for the service. Again, money flowing in while you sleep. You don't need a huge team. AI handles the grunt work, and you simply manage the system. Another one that's gaining massive traction: AI in stock photography and video creation. Traditional stock libraries are competitive, but AI can generate unique images, videos, or backgrounds in minutes. Once uploaded to stock platforms, your content can be purchased repeatedly. Imagine sleeping and waking up to notifications that your AI-generated photo has been licensed multiple times overnight. That's real passive income, and it scales exponentially as you expand your portfolio. Then there's a strategy that feels almost like science fiction: AI-powered ad campaigns for small businesses. Many small business owners want exposure but don't have the budget or time to manage campaigns. AI can analyze data, target audiences, and optimize ads for conversions automatically. If you position yourself as a manager or consultant leveraging AI, you can run multiple campaigns simultaneously, each generating profits with minimal human intervention. And here's where it gets really exciting: AI-generated apps and tools. You don't need to code from scratch anymore. AI can help you build simple but useful apps, automations, or browser extensions. Once published, these apps can bring in ad revenue, in-app purchases, or subscriptions, all without requiring you to code a single line manually. It's a way to capitalize on tech trends without being a developer. One of the most understated methods: AI in e-learning. Online courses are booming, and AI can help you create educational content, quizzes, and interactive modules at lightning speed. You can sell these courses on your own platform or even on marketplaces like Udemy. The best part: once the course is live, the sales are mostly hands-off. Your AI is effectively teaching while you sleep. Now, I know this all sounds too good to be true, but that's the point. The opportunities here aren't limited by geography, time zones, or even traditional work schedules. Whether you're in the USA, UK, or Australia, these AI side hustles can work for you around the clock. Here's the takeaway: the future of side hustles isn't just having a part-time job or trading hours for dollars. It's about leveraging technology, creativity, and automation to create income streams that work independently of your time. And with AI, the potential is almost limitless. If you're ready to start your journey, take one idea from this list, learn it, and set it up step by step. Even starting small can snowball into income that truly works while you sleep. The key is consistency, strategy, and using AI as your tireless partner. So if you found this video valuable and want to uncover more ways to earn smarter, not harder, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't miss out on the next deep dive into AI-powered side hustles. You'll want to see what's coming next. Remember, the future of earning while you sleep isn't a dream, it's happening right now. The question is, are you ready to wake up to it?